play that music again before I go to the topic of today. I don't block him. Eh? Please put up her name here, please. No, I don't want to give her publicity. Let her look for her own publicity by herself. I work for my own. Oh? Jonathan Yobe. Yeah? Show media. Logo there. Start there. Amaya. Oh? Yeah? But with the special people. Oh, my honorable, I love you too. I remain Ishan wife forever, nothing dey change her. Una don't buy, una must carry me finish. I reject you. Eh? Adoge, eh? I will like video people. Here, Facebook is in over. Dem ma ye. Egbebe gweme. Oh? Baka. There. Logo there. Musa there. Yeah? Looking your way. Thank you so much. That was a great one. Good music for every one of us. Don't think a music Monica no. Ah wow, not be only Monica. All of us. He say urobode social media amaniya. Answer there amaniya. Bini people, not be Bini you be. Edo people, eh? So now we all. So make we join hands together today. As for me, I don't repent. So my people, Facebook family, make we all repent today. Make we for repair Benin name, Edo name for our brothers. Eh? Your dance type. Not be that different one come out. One day where I just they do like this. One just day me wa see level here. Let the matter begin. Yes. And then the young boy na do tie we no soy be. Oh my God, now we all both the one where they play voice. Some people know they do live. As I just finish this one, so they'll just carry voice. Hey Monica, we all joy. Oh Betty, oh Bebo, hey Mayakin. Is your Bude. Eh? If they advise us every now and then, make we use and they do something. She know they join come, take beat own. She know they join Mango, take beat Pierre. If your Bude go just talk your own straight. Make you take and you where they do audio for me. Make me also take and me where they do live video for you. Now we all now be the social media right now. Audio where person play for waiting on concern and I be this evening topic we want console. You understand? Okay. The topic of today, one has been dealt with. One was to beg my fellow Facebook live video makers, let peace reign. Anytime I watch the video, I dey laugh like, don't be small. Me too. That's why I say now it be the music of today. You understand? And our president dance too funny. Now different version na it dey. Now S not be president again. He must do what we say. Not be president again. Now S. For some people, now still their president. For me, no more. So, yeah, let's stop the insult and love one another. Please, okay? Let's stop the insult and love one another. If you don't understand my post, don't go and make audio. Just call me and say, Monica, this post where you put, you they use and mock people. I don't like them. I'll say, no, not be like that. You understand? I not be no. I be human being. If you feel some more courage to call me on messenger or on my phone to say your own opinion, I always listen. I always listen. You understand? So no be only voice. Whoa. If you do and finish, they'll go put them everywhere. You will make the voice also. They talk better thing. If you talk like Mama Obude, you know go. They not go talk. Mama Obude not did this one where we they talk so. You understand? Because they advise something. They tell us how things supposed to be. But now we go just take side. If Monica and President they fight, now don't go there. Monica kill am. If me open my line, kill am. Now we go still beg. Make una allow. Wagia mwik bi na yoto wadobu wa also. Any place you find, that's my big sis. You find your love as far as yes, sis. You don't talk you don't enjoy your Yoruba. You dey enjoy. So I beg. You see, but don't you want peace? One love, peace is all we want right now. No two-faced people anymore. People that will comment here and later they will go to audio and go and Betty, Emma, wagegi we. Wahian Betty moi o ladian veni wa ladian nana. Vi moi ex-presidenti. Mo détrôné, yes, mo wa plan e coup ni, bete coup ni no maga no because e mi ni hon Emma egbo ma veri na eti lidima. You understand? That's why I brought it out. And when I brought it out the first day, I didn't insult him. You guys can go back and go and watch it. I just brought the issue. I analyze it for you guys because I am like that. You can't change me. Say, Monica, wa eme geleden. Isi egbo, ama wo leman do leman la den. Ora leman, oka go through. Omana ma ifyefwa. But ora make sense. He bring it into my mind when Felicia and Jessica. You understand? He want my mind. Oh, ye kezi. So that is that. But make I just bring my face come they talk the one way this one. I know they do. I know they interest me. Trust me. That's why many live videos I know they watch. You know they interest me. If not just to just blah blah blah. You know they interest me. I know 1 year. You understand? But I like to clear issue. I don't know why. Not the matter yes, yes, I like me. So make we were marrying. I want analyze. I want balance. You understand me? So when this issue where we want to talk about so come, una know that issue. It's one HIV story. You know why they always say it's one HIV story so that una go understand because it's one Godwin case still come out. So mona no misplace them. It's one Godwin case. It has been solved in a way, but they don't want to solve it. But they don't want to take it. By the time that thing we come back to CNN again, if I no talk, bash that person. Now we they try to settle on. Not be say anything where CNN here now they bring come. No. So matter that they bring and come for me, I'll just settle on inside body. If they agree, we'll just go. But if they not come agree, what you not say make I do? I go bring her to my people, to my family. I will catch bed, we go talk and together. Because when you are a family member, you want to issue together. So that it's one Godwin case. I settled them. It's supposed to be okay. But one person is playing with the lion's tail. One among all of them where the thing affect. Only one just they do like say, if they play with fire, the day where I go bring the matter come, a total a suit to your job there. So they are na ya key one suit will for me. Okay, that one don't pass. Then this it one matter so. Now it be the yes, Facebook analysis. Yes, I analyze good and I balance it. This it one case. Now it be that it one case. We on a year it one an osas. We on a year for social media ex-president panel that time. Later, they can still go carry and go give to Stainless. Yet, the whole thing no finish. Oh, I can still sit down my own. I just sit down my own. They put food for man that day. Now they bring and come back to me again. I can still try to settle this one. The other, you know where if not so, now be say I go carry and go give my family people. You understand? We know the judge lie. Anything wey person tell on now we dey talk. If lie come dey, you wait tell on now you go receive anything wey they come cause put. But we dey cook our food with maggi, white maggi now I like. I dey eat am, but when it come to matter, put white maggi go sweet. With dry fish, yes. Now we take cook this one. White maggi, red oil, and dry fish. No tomatoes, no onions, nothing. Now white rice will take it. So they can't bring the matter come. Yes, we need unity. That's why we want to unite there now, because it will never rest for the matter. You know, say when they say that it will get HIV, whatever that time, as the matter just say come and somebody just make audio patch. The person just make audio now go still remember. The person start to the talk. Yes, so that it one. I know am for no name me. Now so it get, now so it they do. It they always cause people. When you say me marry, he go say no. He go say this. When that lady, it one come hear that audio, you understand? She can't listen. You know when somebody be your person, like me now. Since when did they call for all this live video matter? I never see anybody where I hear a voice where I know. I they always know saying na via, don't be me. You understand? If you hear person where you know voice, you must know. So when this lady, no, the case not finish. The case not even finish at all. The case just did there. No matter. You understand? So when the lady it one wait there, when she can't listen to the audio who they talk about me like this, she can't know say now this my friend Diamond. Now they talk this thing. Now they talk my matter like this. She just WhatsApp her. Send her the audio say try and block the he and she goats. They are okay. Okay, I'm not saying they're okay. You understand me so? So I go still tell you why ex-president no fit settle the matter. I go tell you. You no settle the matter good. They just yaga too much. Oh yeah. Hilary Nongama. Let me just leave you. Maybe when you dey hear the matter, you go change your mind. But if you not change, now go you there. You understand me so? So the matter not finish. When it will come hear who play the audio, it will come send WhatsApp to the person. Now you play this audio about me. The person can say, he say first, the first deny. You understand? At first, the person first deny, say no be she. So when the girl can say, I go cause this one put. The lady can access say, na me do one. Because you not tell me. Nah, the osas na he can't call me, tell me. The thing can't surprise me. When you know say you get HIV, why you can't go give the boy? Now the girl can't ask and say, how you tell no say me get HIV? When you just carry audio, just start to the say, make una see this girl, make una this picture where I send, join this audio. Now so the lady they send at that time. I know the lie, she send her to me. She send her to me, Monica. You understand? But I told her, you see this kind of matter, I know they deal with her. I beg. I know they do am, my sister. Carry and go somewhere else. Before, now me they even fair bring a conto. After they don't fair talking for social media president, I say I don't want. Now they can carry go give stainless. You understand? When she send the audio, she also send a picture of the girl join her. She go say, this audio where I dey talk so, this picture where I send so, na the person, if una see am, no na dey run for am o, e just dey share and dey go. So when that girl hear that thing, the girl come say, na you talk am. You understand so? So the lady come first deny. Later she come say, na she do am, but see why she do am. Two of them, una know na that kind of thing, e go cause quarrel. Even if I really get HIV, as far as say you be my friend, are you supposed to do that? Even be sending my picture, no be me, oh, you won't bother. You still dey send that person picture, they follow am, and you be a friend. You understand? E no nice. Two of them come dey quarrel for that thing, which e reach to really quarrel put. Okay? So after that one, the Itoana no come rest again. She come dey pest the girl, the lady wey do am that month. She come dey pest am. She come collect all the children picture wey dey Facebook. She go dey write rest in peace put. Bastard child, rest in peace. This one go die, that one go die, that one go die. The lady husband, he write rest in peace. Bastard. For one, nothing wey no do with those people picture. She even went ahead, opening fake account, put this girl picture, rest in peace, see you in hell, this, that. This kind of thing where they do a person, and so that girl, just that because that lady, that man not too popular, nobody even care to share herself. As they just do a pa, soil. Now so this girl make sure say do for that family. He go do am with video this thing and this thing. You understand? Until which day? On Monday, I just they eat oh. Nice German number call me. Thank you, Hilary Nogama. Thank you for answering whosoever for me. You understand? I just dey cook. I just dey eat. Somebody call me from Germany. I can't pick. Who be that? Hey, Patrick Smith, please, we don't insult each other here, please. We don't insult one insult like Hilary, you mumu. No, I don't do that on my video. You don't do that. You listen to me. If you don't want to listen, you feel go. Please don't insult nobody. You can reply to one another to understand each other. No, it's somebody you be mumu, I'll just blow you, may you go. Leave the mumu for me. Like Ononana, he say shut up, make it go. It's not part of Onagberu. Conductor. We don't need conductor here. You understand me so? Okay, don't be lost. Now I will not blow, but you know how can somebody just be insulting me? Hilary is insulting me. Oh, Hilary, don't do that again. If you insult me again, you see now you guys are bringing confusion. I don't know who is for me again. Don't insult anybody. I don't like that. And if you insult me, I go block you. That is my law. Are you new here? It's my law. You can't insult me for what now? Okay. Make I even remove comment. Make I just dey talk me and not dey see una comment. You understand? So the lady come call me from Germany. As I pick phone, hello, good evening. Is that Monica? I say yes. Okay, very good. Monica, I want to talk to you. I say okay. Who is this, please? Na she Itohan. Nah, it's okay. Itohan from where? I think say na Itohan Godwin where they handle their case. I can say okay. Itohan Godwin. He said no, be that one. I can say which Itohan again. I don't even remember because I think say they don't finish this their case. I can't say na that other Itohan also where open a panache. I can't say it one where they Italy. He say no, you know it one Osas. I say okay, the HIV story people. He say yes. Now it's okay. Go ahead. She say, she won't tell me that month I'm going to kill Diamond children. I will kill 1, 2, and 3. I will kill Diamond and I will kill Diamond husband. Diamond husband is a 419. Diamond husband is this. I don't want to use all the words, all the secrets, all the baba things she was just revealing. Diamond husband did this. Diamond husband did that. Diamond did this. I know their secret. I will destroy them. I will kill them. I'm going to kill all their children. All their children are bastards. I'm going to read for you what she sent to me this morning again. I'm going to read it for you guys to see. Hey, I pray, say, I store this girl number. Hey, I know store about seeing for you. Thank God. I will read for you guys. Let me first of all say. You understand? Diamond Pikin, I go kill them. They are bastard. They are, I say, but why are you calling them bastard? I know they call them bastard again. He said no. Monica, I say yes. You born bastard also. I say, what do you mean? He say yes, because any woman where born, where they not put money for your head, now bastard. Now bastard children now count them. Those are chicken children. Those children will they eat them like chicken. I say, really? Why? How will not they eat them? He said, no, my sister, in a Bini tradition person, if person do you something, you no go kill that person, you go kill his children. Because you know why? If the head of the person is strong, his children no know nothing, you go chop his children. I say, what are you saying? I was calm, you know now. CNN need to be calm to get some information. I was like, really? Why? How you take the kill them and chop them also? How they take the kill person picking, they go chop them. And why? He say it's very easy to chop bastard. Yes, that is why it's good. Make them not they put money for their head. Because if they don't put money for their head, they go bomb bastard. And when they bomb bastard, they don't get protection. We go chop them. I don't fear. You know now, if you say na lie, call her, make you ask and say, his sister will die for Spain. Now me Chopin. We can't they work for Spain. They can't do me this one. They can't do me that one. That's why I just chop his sister. And I don't still promise her. Before this year end, he 3 children, that 3 bastard, wayward children, I'm going to eat all the bastard. I will kill all the... My sister, if I say me I from now, talk and go reach tomorrow, you know if you understand. You understand? I was calm, I was patient. I wanted to hear also. Because for a part video, the person says she's unstable. So I really need to know. When you are talking, I can read your mind. What is going on there? I was just calm. I was, okay. But my sister, tell me, how you take the chop person, Peking? He say, if you do me something, I go chop your Peking. Monica now say, no. You know if he chop my own. No, he just the talker. Anybody will do something. If me still do something, he go chop my children. And when you want chop the children of those where they marry, he get what he will take the chop them. Huh? I come the major say, now they put pepper and maggi. He said, no, na easy thing. But this particular lady, where she they talk about, so she go chop all bastard children. Now I come ask her. I hear for a power video say, you never marry. And you never born. Now so they talk that. He say he no need bastard. Wetin they use bastard children they do. He know they do bastard. Before he go born, somebody go put money for your head. If somebody never put money for your head, he know they born bastard like the rest of, I don't want to use that word, Bini people. Like the rest of Bini people. He know they born bastard. They are all bastard. Come to Germany, Monica. Come and see them. They are bastard. They are bastard children. They fool everywhere. They go, they look for government. We want to take care of them. I don't born bastard. Bastard children, you eat them. Bastard children, you kill them. I will kill them. He can't go mo yawa. He a bele yawa. He a bok pave na. He bok pava kwe. He bok pavi yakwe na we mata. You never fit kill them now. you can't reach my reach where I dey. Why you never kill them sis? He say yes. He don't carry go stainless place. He don't carry go a pap place. He don't carry go the I don't want to mention name. That's why he say make if I carry come my own, because if me do my own, the whole world go hear and before he go kill the old children. I say really? Okay, wait till you come say make I talk now for the matter. It's okay, don't worry. I go just tell you wait till you go talk. I say okay ma. Tell me, when you reach your live video, which day you want to do your live video self? I can't say now on Thursday. You know if you do it today? I say no, I no plan for today. What about tomorrow? I say no. But do it on Wednesday now. I dare ask on Wednesday, I don't go anywhere. I say no, my lady. Everybody get the way they think they do live video. Somebody they do live video on Tuesday. I can't distract. Somebody have on Wednesday. Thursday is for mine and Monday. And this Monday, I don't want to do. I know where. Okay. On Thursday, now you go do. I will be there. You will just give me the platform. I will tell people I'm going to kill this lady's children. I go open all your husband's secret. I say, okay, tell me your husband's secret. You can't talk all your husband's secret. The husband's secret, now normal secret where everybody gets. Some people get husband way before one and now new thing, my people. For one and a new thing. No build the cash, now before one. He say, ole, yano mwe, ayata ukoko. Ina ukoko emi agbon ni here. Emi agbon. Iyan agbon wan le ya. They keep person hide where you see. He said no, those one, those chicken, those ants, those mosquito, they go fit keep person. Now that's why he want kill all your children. The lady, let me just leave that. It was too much. Then she said, I can't live video. I go talking like this. I'll talking like that. I'll talking like that. Say, really? I'll just talking like that. So they tell me so. He say, yeah. I say, but we know they walk like that, oh, my lady. I know they walk like that. You understand? As you don't tell me your own, so finish now. I go meet person where you report a matter. Okay? I go ask you. Maybe I'll still come back to you again. Then I'll come balance the issue. If I feel settled on inside body, everybody go keep your own thing. But if I don't feel settled, I go bring them to my people. So that we need to know you. You understand? So that everybody, he say yes, very good. Make her talk am. She take strong. She not be wish oh. She not be dangerous person oh. But if person not do anything, no they do person anything. But if you do me something, now you person children I ain't the key. He go kill their children. Now it's okay oh. Okay. You understand me so? Now say okay. No problem. Let me first of all go and ask from Diamond what really happened between you guys. Now I come ask him, waiting they vex you for a matter where you know if he forgive and forget, let this matter just go like that. And that audio where I tell una say he play, I say only that one. He not really do well. He not do well at all. He not do well. But I beg my sister, you know go forgive him, more just let him go. After all, now everything don't go. You understand? Just they do your own. Just leave her. God go deal with her the way she take betray you. She nearly want tell me say, are you stupid? The thing nearly come out for her mouth like, Mom, now cause okay, if not like that, the thing pepper you reach like that, no worry. Make I go ask the person. Now I can't call Diamond. Now I can't tell Diamond. He not even bring an English name where he put for face. He just bring his papa, bring his address, bring everything, bring picture upon picture where he want a name. Hey! So, now I come just write the lady. Say, we need to talk. I just write the name, everything. And she take right out of me. I just forgot that. The lady see and say, you know that when somebody from Facebook where you think say don't know you, suddenly just make sure your papa there, your English name, your school, where you go, where you for work, where you for beat your the lady quickly call me, say, yeah, man, yeah, say, man, she just know one time, say, now that person, I say, yes, I need to know. Wait till you really do one. Where una meet body and wait till they go on. You understand? Now the lady come still judge her own say, now that audio where she play, but she be don't say sorry she no wan hear again, say go deal with am, go kill the children, go do this. She come block am for Facebook. Later she come dey hear from everybody, say they send friend request to everybody with her picture and her children rest in peace. They send picture everywhere, information, her Benin name, all info wey she ever know about her for Spain. But wetin she go do? You understand? So me myself, I come tell the lady, say, you do bad oh, that audio. If you and this girl be really know each other like this, you understand? Something just come and you never hear from her mouth, you just go ahead, do video, and you dey send the picture. E no nice. That thing really painful. You understand? But all the same, we go beg this lady, make it rest. I be don't try to beg her inside house. He say no. So for that reason, I'm going to bring it to Facebook. Every Facebook people, please, you guys should beg this lady. Now only that thing the lady doing. He no do anything. He no take his husband. He no take on nothing. That one I do. Me, Monica, I hate that thing where the lady do. I know the lie. What he do, he no good. He no good. Now they cause wahala for this social media now. Just take my picture, they talk nonsense about and they go. It's not nice. But it don't happen. It don't happen. What do we want to do? The one where they say, I will kill, I will kill. You guys see, for a part video that time when that lady called, they come they say he head not correct. Many people don't believe. Her head not correct. I don't be the lie. If I give this lady chance, make it call just now. If una hear the way go take talk to all of una, now no say Benin people they pass Benin. You understand? Friends these days, really. Friends these days they are something else. What Diamond did is not good. What Diamond did is not good. My lady Itoan, if you are hearing me, please, what Diamond did, please, see, I beg you, Lao. No pikin be bastard, never, especially you wey never born. If we always dey talk for Facebook, una go say, they mock the, they tell some people wey never born, the way they take they talk for another person pikin, they no care whether you press that pikin o. They as far no be there. You understand? The way some people wey never born, if una never experience am, somebody dey talk am, no feel say they laugh you. If they talk about your own experience, wey you see, some people wey never born, the way they take they talk about pikin. My lady, you no fit kill rat. Na me dey tell you now. Even ant, you no go fit kill. Abeg. We dey beg you, social media people, go and take care of yourself. Not because this matter happen like this. So we really sorry. Please, people, tell her sorry. Write something to encourage her to know that we are ashamed of what Diamond as a friend did. Because to her, it's like everybody, they call her bad person. Meanwhile, bad friend betray her like this. So, please, Itoan and Diamond cannot meet face to face. They don't even stay the same place anymore. What Itoan did to Osas is also bad because Itoan, she's not mentally, she's not stable. You understand? That one, no be say I dey bend my mouth. The lady, I don't understand. Our word no they correspond with each other. Our word just they fly up and down. You know they feel pick am together. You understand? Whether what she did to Osas or not, make we beg for Diamond. Diamond is evil, yes. Please, you guys should just say sorry. Diamond, you see now, everybody know what you did is not good. It's not good. You understand? And the Diamond, I still they talk to her. She still they say, only that small thing where she do. Some people will do you something, they will say small thing. They will do you something. They will say small thing. No be small thing, yo. Diamond, that thing me I pull phone call. You guys should call in before we close. But Lady Itoan, please don't call in. I don't want you to call. Please don't call. Don't bother. I can read to you guys. Let me read. Look at her chat. You see? Plenty, not be small thing. You understand? See, the husband picture everything. He even send their family wey be cultist, the one wey don fair kill somebody, the one wey dem dey give pikin to go do the so many things inside this thing. I swear. Okay. Thanks. Yes. Okay, Itoan is still writing me here. She says she don't have HIV. If that lady also don't have HIV, and you guys are just, I don't understand this thing. Oh. She's also writing here. She says she swear with her blood. She swear with the head of everything. She don't have HIV. Okay? She's trying to send some tests. Although I'm not going to check into all that, my lady. HIV case now, another day we go discuss am. Today, we are begging you. Don't kill Diamond children. Please, if you really get that power. Me, I'm not afraid because you have power to kill them. I know you cannot kill them. Who go fit kill, not go even talk and self. But I'm just begging you for you to have your peace so that the Lord God Almighty will bless you. Hello, good evening, Kola.
Hello, good evening, my people.
Good evening. We are hearing you.
Yes, so I just want to contribute to this our sister into
Okay.
And this other lady, Diamond. Diamond are supposed to be best friend. You understand?
Yes.
My sister. My sister. I beg. And I believe they use a main parable say, you know, wait till they do, my sister. Wait, I don't know why people know they listen to it. Wait, that lady say, now for the call. When that lady say she no get HIV, when Osas go do a test, tell me the person will follow and go. You understand? But Osas bring result. Everybody believe and say he get. But it will go do result. People they do a test. It bring a result. People they say now fake. Which kind of me I don't understand. And the person where it will come call a best friend, you can't go they do audio, go put a picture, put everything the audio.
Very bad. Very bad. But wetin we go do now? Wetin we go do? Make we forgive and forget. At least now we don't see how some people take back.
I understand. Yes. I just want to make a clear. There are some people they say it and you say you go keep person children be evil.
Oh. Another call coming in. Let me still pick. Let us make the calling short. Hello, good evening, caller. Hello, my lady. Continue.
Hello.
Sorry.
Yes, my sister. I beg. You know,
no, make a short.
When fight don't start. When fight don't start. Now wait the pace.
Oh, let me decline it.
Continue. Now your teeth you want to fight too.
Not true.
Now when the person get person take the fight. Whether now your teeth you want to fight too. Whether your finger you want to fight. Now any person take the fight.
But now we dey beg for peace.
Come with me now.
Mama. Hello, caller. Hello, good evening. We are hearing you. Please go direct to the point. We are hearing you.